Here's another great RV from Parkview RV, where roughing it is not an option.
Hi, I'm Leanna. Today I'm going to be showing you the Hike by Winnebago.
This walkthrough video is designed to quickly show you the basic layout and features of this RV. If you're viewing it on our website, you'll find all the specifications right below this screen. But the best way to view this beautiful unit is to put yourself in it. Stop by today and see and feel the difference when you're treated like family. Now, like a brochure, this video is only a representation of the manufacturer's floor plan. Just like a home, there are many variations of every RV made. Features, options, colors, fabrics, and other specifications may be different from one RV to the next. So it's important to contact us right here at Parkview RV Center for actual details about this floor plan. We'd love to help you find just the right RV. While watching this video, take note of the innovative ways the manufacturer has used every possible space for storage and practicality. But there are many features not shown, and we also don't have the time to show all of them in this short video. You really must come in and see this RV to fully appreciate all that this Parkview RV has to offer. Fifth wheels, motorhomes, toy haulers, and travel trailers from Winnebago, Lance, Northern Light, Forest River, and more. Parkview RV has whatever you need. Parkview RV, where roughing it is not an option.